Venus gives us joy, pleasure and comfort in our life. So to uplift Venus in our horoscope, I am giving you a very, we can say, a real-time remedy. You should have to respect to all the women who are surrounded you. We can say your mom, your neighbor, your colleagues, your boss, your maid, your sister, your wife, everyone. You should have to respect. Even in our culture, we are believing in goddess, Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati, right? For Ma Lakshmi, we are just praying for to get the money, Ma Saraswati to get the wisdom, right? So we should have to respect to all the women who are surrounded us, whether you are male or female. Okay, you should have to stop the tendency to down troll any other woman or ladies or girl or disrespect any woman. So that will uplift Venus in your horoscope.